Hi, I'm Caleb Shetland, Director of Product Applications Engineering at Astera Labs. Today, we are showing the first public demonstration of end-to-end interoperability between our Scorpio PCIe 6 Smart Fabric Switch and Micron's PCIe 6 SSDs to accelerate the PCIe 6 ecosystem development. The Scorpio P-Series Fabric Switch is architected for mixed traffic head node connectivity across a diverse ecosystem of PCIe hosts and endpoints. Today you'll see a Micron PCIe 6 Gen 6 SSD. This drive is developed to help enable the ecosystem for Gen 6. As you can see, we're using it for that very purpose. The drive is designed for high-performance environments, as well as AI deployments. Let's take a look at the demo setup. Here we can see our Scorpio P-Series Fabric Switch with one upstream port and 3 downstream ports. It is connected to a CPU host, an NVIDIA H100 GPU with PCIe 5x16 link, and 2 PCIe 6 E3.S Micron SSDs with PCIe 6x4 links. When we look at the command line view, we can see the link rate and width of each component in the system. Using NVIDIA Magnum IO GPU Direct Storage, or GDS, for this demo, we'll establish a direct data path between the GPU and the Micron SSDs via our Scorpio P-Series Fabric Switch to boost AI performance while offloading the CPU to handle other important system functions. Let's look at the GDS check tool to verify that peer-to-peer transfers are enabled. Sure enough, we see that the NVMe driver is enabled for peer-to-peer transfers and that the GPU supports GDS. Now, when we run this GDS.io script to initiate sequential read operations from the 2 Micron SSDs to the NVIDIA H100, we can see the throughput of 27 gigabytes per second from each drive. Using our Cosmos SDK, which provides unprecedented data center observability, we can see port 0 connected to the CPU has minimal I/O traffic, indicating that GDS is enabled and the workload has been offloaded to the GPU. Here we can see the total RX bandwidth of the 2 Micron SSDs on port 1 and 2 matches the total TX bandwidth of the NVIDIA H100 on port 3. This demonstration highlights the maximum bandwidth potential of Scorpio P-Series Fabric Switches and Micron PCIe 6 SSDs for AI workloads. As the PCIe 6 ecosystem matures and expands in the coming years, Astera Labs is ready with its family of Scorpio Smart Fabric Switches to support mixed traffic workloads in an increasingly diverse ecosystem. And what about Micron's SSD for ecosystem development? It's pushing 27 gigabytes per second, which I believe is the fastest demonstration of a Gen 6 storage drive to date, perhaps one of the only demonstrations. Furthermore, it's exhibiting nearly twice the bandwidth of the world's fastest Gen 5 drives. This is exactly what we envisioned when we started developing our Scorpio products. Massive performance and great interoperability with trusted suppliers like Micron and NVIDIA. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit asteralabs.com/Scorpio.